like this part of making bread where it's like yeasting. And I'm looking at these things that I've dehydrated in the past and like, this looks like a really good blend of like tomatoes and onion type thing and a greenery, but I'm like willing to take a chance on throwing this whole thing in the bread. Like, this is maybe like a cup and a half of nonsense into my regular bread recipe. My kid's gonna hate it, but she still has some stuff that she likes kicking around, so I'm gonna experiment. Hey Siri, can you set a timer for 1 hour? Thank you, Violet.